This is Gorilla Tag. It is one of the most popular VR games. It has this many monthly players, and it is just extremely overrated, in my opinion. Now, this is Monkey Do, a game that you've probably never even heard of, but it's extremely underrated and has this many players a month. But which one is actually better? Popular or this one, Monkey Do? I'm just gonna play Monkey Do today because you've probably never seen any gameplay. Well, I mean, unless you've seen shorts before. So here I am. I just spawned in. Let's do this. Let's go. Okay. Here I am. Okay. Oh look, I'm riding this real good. There's a banana up there. You gotta get 10 of those. If I can get 10 of those. Let me get on this thing. Okay, we'll just get over here. Boom, boom, boom. See? That was pretty good. That's what I gotta do for friends. 9 others. There's one. There's one over there. I gotta get that. See, there's one in this player. I don't know if there's any other players, but just me and that guy, so yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Also, I'm not very good at this game. Just see. There you go. 2 out of 10. Where's the third one? Where's that? Just get this little buddy. You're not the main character. I mean, that's not saying I am. Because this game. Okay, that help. Okay, there's portal. Grill tank, okay. Actually, maybe. Okay, just climb this. Yeah, grill tank should be ready. Just get 360. It's not time to touch. Blue. Where's it? No, that's not fair. It's not fair. Okay, where'd it go? Where is it? There. It's right up there. Like that. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. 3 out of 10. Or 4 out of 10. I'm you guys, I don't know. Wait, just go over here. Over here. You guys seen Inside Out 2 yet? It's a good movie. Recommend. Just go get this. No. Not like that, you goofy. Oh! Oh, I think. Give me these. Why are these here? Somebody modding? Where's the rookie? No. They're not him. No. Where is it? They're over there. Come on, let's go there. Oh, there's some over here too. Some over here too. Where am I? Okay. Where are they? Oh no. It's just me and him. I don't know. Okay, him. He's my Eat it. Yeah, it's just us. What's up, buddy? Yeah. Why is there no one else? Yeah, more people.
I'm changing the map.
She's just no. Go over here. Look at that.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Oh, you got a new guy. What's up, brother? I pooped.
Alright, wait for a minute. Do you have this? The chicken?
JJ's poke. JJ poke. What do you think's better? This game or Gorilla? Yes, sir. See?
This game?
Oh, we got another new guy. See? Oh, not that. 3 minutes. Okay. Load new guy. Or whatever you want. Nine. Super Mario 3D World Bowser's Fury vibes. Where are more bananas? That sounded weird.
How did you know I hate the lava?
There you go. Over there. Where are they?
No, everything.
Bananas. There.
No!
No. Oh, how did that hurt my parents? Wow. Just go get this. Oh. See, I'm not like the best at this.
Where are they?
Okay, there is. Okay, chat. Should I live stream? Comment down below if I should live stream. I've always like wondered. Here we go. Over here. Wait, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. See, I didn't get it, did I? Oh, over here. I get this one. Get that one. No, I can't. Aim it from inside out, too. No. Let's go. Look at this. Is it always here? Go. 61 bananas. One. Okay, they're in. I'm in third place. Let's go. Definitely not, because we just started.
Oh, go! Got that.
Also, yeah, this game comes with poop. Road tagging, got that? Hey, you. Are you subscribed to Emerson?
I'm sorry. I didn't kick it. I didn't kick it.
There we go. Okay, so check. I'm just trying to
Let me over again.
subscribe. Okay, it's okay. You want to subscribe? Okay, Jake, let's go. Calm down. Just go. Wait, I got it. I'm not looking. I never actually tried to get it. Don't. See what's real tagging happens? Look at the natural beauty of the real tag. I'm up here. Okay, come on. Look at this. This is good. Whoa. Wee. No, don't make me laugh. No. No. Oh, okay, we're starting another round.
My
Let's go.
new friend.
I'm guessing it's Banana Chase, but I don't remember.